So you mentioned something mental happened when you got back from your work trip. What was that all about?
Pal, I came home and the missus had replaced all our windows. Full double glazing, the whole house.
Wait, what? That's not cheap. That's like, what,
15K? Exactly, that's what we were quoted before. I've been saving for over 5 years. I thought she'd blown the lot.
I'd have been bricking it.
I did. First thing I checked was our savings account, and somehow it was basically untouched.
No way. So how'd she manage that then?
I asked her the same thing. I thought she'd open a bunch of credit cards or something, but nope.
So what did she do?
She applied for this Scottish window replacement program she found online.
Never heard of it. What is it?
It's basically funding to help homeowners upgrade their windows, especially if your heating bills are sky high.
So they actually paid for it?
Aye. They covered a big chunk of the cost, like £2,500, I think, pal. That's pure
Magic. Is everyone eligible?
Not everyone. You need to be in certain Scottish postcodes. That's the only catch.
Still sounds worth checking out.
100%. I even sent it to my brother. Turns out he qualified too.
And there's no catch?
No commitment. Just check if your Scottish postcode qualifies. If you're in Scotland and your heating bills are through the roof, probably worth a look. Aye, I dropped the link below. Check if your postcode's eligible while the funding's still around.